With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
We have the question: a block of mass 1 kg is pushed on non-movable wedge of mass 2 kg and the height of 30 centimeter, and the velocity u is equals to what? 6 meter per second. Mass is 2 kg and the height is 30 centimeter. Okay, before striking the wedge, it travels 2 meter on a rough horizontal portion. Velocity is just sufficient for the block to reach at the top of the wedge. Assume all the surfaces are smooth except the given horizontal part, and collision of block and the wedge is jerkless. Okay, the friction coefficient of the rough surface horizontal is. So we have to find the friction coefficient, that is mu. Okay, so first of all, uh, the question is asking about us that when the block is at this position. Okay, so it is moving in the initial velocity u. Okay, and the block of mass 1 kg is pushed non-roll wedge of mass of 2 kg. So it is mass of 2 kg, it is the mass of 1 kg. Okay, so when here at this position the wedge is trying to going through this inclined surface. Okay, and at the same time there is no external forces applied on the block, and at this point the block will be reaches at the maximum height. Okay, so we all know that we have the concept of energy, work energy theorem. So applying work energy theorem, so work energy theorem will be working that it will be going, so there is an acting of friction, that is mu mg, plus potential energy mu mg h gives kinetic energy initial minus kinetic energy final. Okay, that is our first equation. So at which, at the highest point, at the highest point at the highest point. Clear? So at the highest point, what will be there? Velocity of block is equals to velocity of wedge. Okay, so velocity of block is equals to velocity of wedge. Clear? So velocity of block after passing through the rough surface, what will be there? Velocity of block after passing through the rough surface is after passing through the rough surface is v is equals to 36 minus 2 mu g. Okay, or v square. So it will become v is equals to under root 36 minus 2 mu g. Clear? Okay, so what will we have to do now? I think it is clear. We have find it the velocity here. This is the velocity. Okay, so now applying the work energy theorem, and if you solve this you will get it as putting the value of g to 20, and it will come up to be 36 minus 20 mu. Okay, so it is the first equation here. Sorry, it will be not 20, it will be 40 because there is a 2 here also. So will become 40 minus 40. Okay, multiply by 2 also here. Okay, now applying this work energy theorem, so I will removing this part. Applying work energy theorem here, so it will become 2 minus mu plus 3 is equals to half 1 6 square minus 1 by 2 3 v square. Okay, so if you are going to solve this, you will get mu is equals to 54 by 80. Clear? So it will be 0.675. So the correct option is option C. So I hope you will get your answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.